Ladies and gentlemen, life doesn't always give us perfect mornings or peaceful nights. Some days begin with doubt, others end in silence. But in between, there is a choice to rise, to try to believe again. Motivation isn't something that always finds you. Sometimes, it's something you must create for yourself. Not once, but every single day. In the quiet moments, in the hard hours, when no one else sees your effort, you must remind yourself why you began, and why you cannot give up now. My name is Muniba Mazari and I am motivational speaker. If you like this content, then you can appreciate me by like, subscribe and comments. So, now move on the topic. Every morning when we open our eyes to a brand new day, life silently asks us a question. What will you choose today? And the most important choice we can make is not about success, fame, or perfection. It's about motivation. The choice to stand up, to try again, to keep going. Motivation is not something that magically appears. It is not a feeling we wait for. It is a decision we make every single day. There was a time in my life when I kept waiting for motivation to come from outside, hoping someone would lift me up, inspire me, or give me a reason to keep moving. But with time and pain, I realized something powerful. No one else can live your life for you. No one else can carry your burden, feel your emotions, or heal your scars. You must wake up and choose to be your own source of light. You must be the one to decide, today I will move forward. We often think motivation comes from big speeches, loud music, or extraordinary moments. But in reality, it is born in silence. It is born in the quiet moments when your heart is tired, your body feels heavy, and your mind is full of doubt. And still you decide to get out of bed. You decide to show up, not because it's easy, but because you believe your life is worth fighting for. There are days when everything feels heavy, and the world seems to be moving ahead without you. On those days, it's easy to give up. It's easy to say, maybe this is not for me. But remember, motivation isn't about never falling. It's about deciding to rise after every fall, to choose hope over fear, progress over perfection, strength over surrender. You don't have to do something extraordinary every day. You don't need to run a marathon or climb a mountain to be proud of yourself. Sometimes, just getting out of bed, smiling through pain, or choosing kindness when your heart feels empty, that is motivation, that is bravery, that is enough. When no one is clapping for you, clap for yourself. When no one is watching, do your best anyway. When your dreams seem distant and life feels stuck, remind yourself why you started. Go back to that fire within you, the one that dared to dream in the first place. Let that fire guide you. Motivating yourself every day doesn't mean you'll never feel tired or lost. It simply means you won't stop trying. You will have days when you feel weak, and that's okay. Even the strongest people have quiet days. But what sets them apart is their decision, the decision to try again, to move one step forward. No matter how small, you are not in a race with anyone. You are not behind, you are not too late. The world may not always understand your pace, your pain, or your dreams. But that's not important. What's important is that you believe in yourself. That you choose to get up, again and again, because deep down, you know you're meant for more. And when life tests you, because it will, you must look within, not outside, not to people, not to perfect plans. Look within your soul, where courage lives. Remind yourself that you have survived difficult days before, that you have made it through storms you thought would destroy you. And if you could do that, you can face this day too. One decision, that's all it takes. One decision to say, I will not give up today. One decision to smile even when you feel like crying. One decision to be kind to yourself, to speak gently to your heart, to hold your own hand through pain. That's what motivation is. A daily decision to keep showing up for yourself, no matter how hard the road is. So every morning, before the world wakes up, take a moment, sit with yourself. Breathe and ask, what will I choose today? Then answer with love, strength, and hope. Today, I choose to keep going. There will be moments in life when everything around you feels like it's falling apart. When the people you counted on don't show up. When your dreams feel distant, and the light at the end of the tunnel disappears. In those moments, you'll search for someone to lean on, someone to rescue you from the storm. But sometimes no one will come. And that's when life gently teaches you the most powerful lesson of all. You must be your own source of strength. It's not easy. I know it's not. Because we're taught to seek comfort in others, to expect someone to understand our pain, to hope that someone will pull us out of the dark. But the truth is, the greatest strength is not found outside. It lives quietly within you, waiting to be discovered. You just have to go deep enough to find it. You may feel weak, you may feel broken, but there is a fire in you that has not gone out. The same fire that kept you going on your hardest days. The same strength that brought you this far. That strength is real, that strength is yours. And even when no one sees it, you must believe in it. Don't wait for someone to tell you that you're strong. Tell yourself. Look in the mirror with all your flaws, with your past, with your pain, and smile. Not because life is perfect, but because you're still standing. You're still breathing, you're still trying. And that in itself is a victory. When life gets heavy, don't be afraid to sit with your pain. Let the tears fall if they must. But after that, stand up, dust yourself off, and whisper to yourself, I've got me. Because the most powerful words you'll ever say to yourself are not, I am happy, or I am perfect. They are, I will not give up on me. Oh yes, you deserve support, you deserve love. But you also deserve to know that even if no one claps for you, you can clap for yourself. You can be your own cheerleader, your own healer, your own safe space. And the moment you realize that, something inside you shifts. You stop begging the world for permission to be strong. You simply decide to be. You are not defined by who stood beside you during your success. You are defined by who stood beside you during your struggle. And sometimes that person is just you. And that's more than enough. There will be days when motivation won't come from quotes, books, or speeches. It will come from your own voice. That small voice inside that says, I don't know how I'll do it, but I will. That is your strength, that is your power. We live in a world that often praises perfection, but the truth is, real strength is raw, it's messy, it's silent, it looks like trying again after a failure. It looks like smiling through heartbreak. It looks like showing up when all you want to do is hide. That's what makes you strong. Not your titles, not your image, but your decision to keep going. Every single day. Be your own source of peace when the world gets loud. Be your own light when darkness surrounds you. Be your own reason to stand when everything inside you wants to fall. Because no one else can do that for you. And the more you practice this, the more unshakable you become. Remember, strength is not about having all the answers. It's about having the courage to ask for none. To trust that you are capable even when you're afraid. To rise not because someone told you to, but because your soul whispered, you can. So take a deep breath, let the past go, let the doubt fall away, and walk into today with your head held high, not because everything is easy, but because you are ready to carry yourself through anything. And if one day you find yourself standing all alone, remember you are not truly alone. You have you. And that's the strongest foundation you'll ever need. Sometimes we believe that in order to change our lives, we need to do something grand, something huge, something that everyone will see and applaud. But the truth is, it's not the big, dramatic moments that shape us. It's the small steps we take every day, the quiet choices, the little efforts, the moments when no one is watching but we choose to try anyway. That is where the real transformation begins. We often underestimate the power of small steps. We think if we're not making massive progress, we're not doing enough. But I want you to know this slow progress is still progress. A small step forward is still a step forward. And sometimes, that one small step is the very thing that saves you from falling back. There were days in my life when getting out of bed felt like a mountain to climb, when smiling took more strength than lifting weights, when speaking up, even in a whisper, felt like shouting in a storm.